Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to report construction in Waze in 2026. If you see road constructions that could affect other drivers, you can report it directly through the app. First, open Waze and start your drive. When you safely reach an area with road construction, tap the report button on the map. From the report menu, select the option for roadwork or construction, depending on the options shown in your version of Waze. Check the information before submitting the report. Waze will use your location to identify where the construction is happening and share the report with other drivers. Always remember to make reports only when it's safe. If you're driving, use voice commands when available, or have a passenger submit the report for you. After submitting, the construction alert can appear on the Waze map and help other drivers prepare for possible delays or changes in the road. And that's how to report construction in Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.